To do this every year.
I love it. So Obamacare had a pretty good day on Monday. As we reported, nearly 2 million visitors went to that website, and that is a record. But keep several things in mind here. Despite that rush to the website, we don't know yet how many new people did enroll. Also, they had a deadline looming. Folks rushing in for coverage came January 1st. Well, to make Obamacare work, the administration says that they need 7 million subscribers by the end of March, and they are nowhere close to that. Jason Johnson with us now from Washington, an HLN contributor. So, Jason, nearly 2 million visits to the website on Monday. Is that the kind of figure you think they were looking for? Would you see that as successful?
Yeah, I think the Obama administration sees it as successful, but in all honesty, there's no chance they're going to have 7 million people signed up by March. But if they get on average 2, maybe even 3 million people to at least log on to the site over the next couple of months, I think the Obama administration would say that's a success, given how bad things were in October.
Well, we're also hearing that the White House is gearing up for some sort of PR push to get the numbers up by March. I mean, looking ahead, would you expect, perhaps a grand gesture by the president to encourage people to enroll? I mean, they could do all the PR that they want, but it's got to be working and it's got to be understandable.
Right, and those are the two biggest issues. I mean, yesterday I had 2 friends who tried to sign up. One was my trainer. She said the machine kept breaking down. I couldn't get through. She couldn't sign up. Another friend of mine had a pre-existing condition, and she got on after about 2 hours. So as long as, only 50% of the people who are probably trying to get on can get access to health care, no matter how much PR push Obama puts on, it won't necessarily work. But that's why he's got a couple of months to see if he can make it happen.
Well, do you think that this time next year we're still going to be talking about problems like this, just dogging the president's health care reforms?
By this time next year, probably not, because the Republicans will have done much better in Congress, and they'll be talking about trying to overturn Obamacare. I mean, I think that's why the mandate was pushed back. But in all honesty, it's just like Social Security. It took years for that to work out fine. We won't know if this is a success or failure for another 5 or 6 years.
That's actually a point well made. Jason, appreciate it. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Well, we hear it all the time from doctors and scientists that our destiny